Well, I put off posting this video of these short clips I have of our tour of the Roadster Factory back when I attended the trials in September. But, I think I ought to just post them just so you guys can see. It's not a very long video, and but you can see that it was a rainy, crappy day. But anyway, we went through, and I have some short video clips of walking through the buildings and whatnot. So anyway, I just thought you might enjoy seeing them. Hi, this is Dave with DavesTR4A. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So as I said in the intro, this is just a collection of short clips of our tour of the Roadster Factory back the 2023 trials. Well, we just are warming up the car here and getting ready to go. And you can see it's kind of a dreary day, so off we go. I guess they were doing some construction in the hotel that was sitting in the front of the place, but there was probably about 12 or 15 cars, I guess, that went on this tour. They had one the day before, two, which was a much nicer day. This is overall pretty crappy, I guess. But anyway, we're leaving the hotel and heading off to the Roadster Factory. Well, here we are, half an hour later, turning on the Killen Road, which is the road that the Roadster Factory is on. And it's just, I don't know, a mile or so down the road, maybe 2 miles on the right. I had to apologize for how foggy the windshield is. I was keeping the driver's side clean, but the camera was right underneath the rear view mirror pointing out, so that I neglected to keep clean. So anyway, I apologize for that.
Proceed to food.
So let's go inside and we'll start the clips of the interior. The Roadster Factory warehouse. This is just one small room. These are all body panels. Bumpers. Drive shafts.
That's the sad part. I want to feed the no. You go to the floor saying
Yeah, I did.
that computer system. Never did it. Windshield frames.
Oh, so there's one of the stickers in use.
Well, they-
I'm always throwing it out like
Yeah.
the people go, oh.
Probably like 10 years or so.
Yeah, so it can be lines.
Oh yeah. I mean, I think she worked for Diane almost from the start. So she's probably been doing it for 20 years or something.
So, you normally do full sets of the interiors. I have Miata seats. Do you do any Miata seats covers? That's just somebody else.
I want to start off by saying that I feel very fortunate that I was able to finally tour the Roadster Factory last September. And I hope that for those of you who can't say that I've given you just a brief peek into the Roadster Factory building, as I only recorded a very few minutes of over an hour, I guess, of walking around through the various departments. One thing I wanted to mention, did you notice that no one was talking loud or laughing? To me, that speaks volumes about the history Charles and now Albert were providing the best reproduction parts possible to our hobby, and how we all went there first when we needed a reproduction part that actually works. My case in point was purchasing a fuel pump rebuild kit for my TR4A that had a diaphragm that was actually resistant to ethanol fuel. I've had it on the car for 4 years at least, and I've even driven 6,400 miles last summer all over the place, and it worked perfectly. So anyway, in closing, let's just hope that somehow Albert can slowly recover from this devastating loss. to himself and to all of us who enjoy our British cars. Thanks for watching, Dave. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.